Good morning, this is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and today we are heading to Helen, Georgia. I have William with me. Say hello, William.
Hello, hey.
And if you like travel videos and you like this one, please give it a like, and also please subscribe to our channel, Journey with the Gingers, because we love to travel and we've got some exciting trips planned for the future. So let's go.
Alright, Laurie found this place, this motel, and looks maybe deceiving.
So we're staying in the Nacoochee Valley Suite at this motel actually, and we're gonna have to show you what a beautiful surprise you're gonna find when you go inside. Hey, William.
Hey.
Can you believe how beautiful and huge this is, William?
No, that is mind-blowing.
This is a motel. So the Nacoochee Valley Motel is a simple little motel with about 7 rooms, and we are staying in the suite, which is the larger of the 7 rooms. But you are going to be shocked when you see how much is in this beautiful suite. First of all, there's a formal dining room. You have a little desk in the dining room, and then you have this beautiful table for 6 people. We might have to invite some friends, William.
It is nice.
And just the decor. I mean, oh my goodness. It just has so much decor. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. First, here's my bartender, William. So it has this beautiful bar.
It is nice.
With 3 high top chairs. What you gonna serve me up tonight, William?
You have to pick something up.
You want to show around the kitchen, William? First of all, how many refrigerators are there?
There's 2 refrigerators.
2 refrigerators.
This is bigger than our kitchen.
So it's kind of dark in here, but a refrigerator. And what else do you have, William?
We have a dishwasher. A dishwasher in a motel.
In a motel, a dishwasher.
Deep sink. I mean, this sink is deep. I could bathe Eliza in it.
Eliza's who?
Our baby.
Our Chihuahua.
Our Chihuahua baby. Yeah. And then you got a full stove, oven stove, microwave, toaster.
Everything you need to cook breakfast for your wife.
I mean, everything. I mean, and they got places to put bottles of wine everywhere. Oh my goodness.
Very nice refrigerator. Number 2 refrigerator. Of course, under the bar, lots of stuff under here. And what's behind you?
This is their pantry.
A full pantry.
I mean, it's a nice pantry.
We brought some groceries, but we sure didn't bring that many groceries.
I mean, that is a nice pantry.
So who will be using this kitchen mostly?
Me.
Because William likes to cook me breakfast.
Yes, I do.
He likes breakfast.
I like breakfast. I think breakfast is the most versatile.
Who is really not a breakfast person?
You.
Yeah. But he'll cook me breakfast on vacation and I'll
Yes,
eat
I
it.
will.
Okay. Let's go look at the rest of the house. Oh.
Motel.
Motel.
Motel room.
So the next room we're going to show you is the living room. And when I say it looks super comfortable, you're just not going to believe this. All right, honey, how many recliners do we have in this beautiful living room?
We have 2 recliners.
2 recliners, one for me, one for you. And it has
a sofa, but I think it's a hybrid bed. I really do.
Well, that would be something important to know. If it is.
It's just a regular sofa.
It's just a sofa.
It's just a regular sofa.
Well, if Hannah was with us, she wouldn't mind just sleeping on the sofa though.
Just a regular sofa.
And this nice, large living room. It has a little fireplace in the wall. That is so cute.
And a large TV.
I have to figure out how that works. And a large TV. Alright, so we're going to do a living room spin just to take one final look at this beautiful living room. Now, what's next, William?
The bathroom.
The bathroom. Okay. So we're going to show you the bathroom next, and it's behind me. I like a bathtub. William likes a shower, so we got both in here, which is nice. So simple bathroom, but nice. Tub, shower, sink, and toilet, and of course it's sanitized. Fantastic. And we're not done yet. We got one more room, and that is the bedroom. Hey, honey.
Hey, now we're in the bedroom of a motel. Not, well,
We've said that word a lot, haven't we?
motel.
Because it doesn't sound like a motel.
We have a king-size sleigh bed.
So pretty.
It is beautiful. I mean, I love the barrels.
The barrels for the end tables.
Yes.
That's totally cute.
You got a, what was this, an armoire or
A wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
A wardrobe.
And I mean, you can hang stuff up. You got extra blankets in here and everything.
Mm-hmm.
You got a corner TV.
Love that.
And a fan already in here.
Yes.
It does have a
ironing
comes with
board.
an ironing board and an iron.
Mm-hmm.
There's extra towels and stuff.
Yep.
I mean, this is unbelievable.
So let's take one final look at this bedroom. Nice big sleigh bed. And you know your girl likes to have a fan on at night.
Yes.
So that was
she
very nice that they included that for me.
Yeah.
So this is the final look at this beautiful motel suite near Helen, Georgia. Oh, beautiful. And I will put a link to the place that we're staying and the name of the specific suite in the description below. So we are about to go eat. What's your favorite food they serve in Helen, Georgia? German. So we're going to go to a German restaurant. When on TripAdvisor, it is listed as the #1 German restaurant in Helen. A restaurant called Bodensee. And I think we're saying it right. Do you think we're saying it right?
Yeah, I believe so.
So we're going to go see if we can get a table there and have a great dinner. And we'll show you what we get. So William, you have to talk loud. What did you order?
We both ordered a glass of Moscato wine
Yes.
and a water,
Uh-huh.
but they said they only had bottled water. And we both got it's beef rouladen, but they call it here a beef roll.
Awesome. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
There's the beef roll. Is that spatzel? Red cabbage. And you had
Potato
the
salad.
potato salad. Are you ready?
Yes.
Darian would like this. You ready for some ice cream? They have a hot lava ice cream. I wonder what that is. I know what Darian would like. That.
Hello.
Honey, what are you about to have?
We're about to have Spaghettieis.
That looks so good. You ready? What is in your spaghetti ice?
It is vanilla with strawberry sauce. I think white chocolate, two rochers, 2 of these chocolate sticks. Shaved white chocolate, I think it is.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. We just had spaghetti ice. We had some amazing German food.
Yes, we did.
Oh my gosh. I highly recommend that restaurant for German food. Everything I ate was perfect.
Everything
Delicious.
was. Potato salad. I mean, it was all good.
But we just also had some spaghetti ice, and it was the first time we've ever had it. What do you think about that? What did you think about it?
It was different. It is.
Oh my gosh,
Oh
so
my
good.
goodness, it's unreal.
It's like soft serve vanilla ice cream with strawberry sauce and chocolate on top, and the I can't say it right, Fier Rocher candy, and it looks like spaghetti and meatballs. So we are wrapping up day 1. We had a great trip here, and then when we got here, we gave you a tour of this awesome motel. And then we had a great dinner of German food. It was all delicious. And we ended the night at a at the ice cream parlor having some spaghetti ice, which was the first time we've ever had it, and it was really good. So tomorrow our trip continues with a trip to Anna Ruby Falls and to Brass Town Bulb, and we're going to take you along with us. It's going to be a great day of outdoor activities, and we can't wait to show you. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, Journey with the Gingers, and give this video a thumbs up. We definitely appreciate it. And from now, journey on.